Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm still with the resin. I'm still a tad obsessed. In today's video I am going to show you step-by-step process of making resin jewellery from scratch to finish with a chain on it, ready to go. So in my first resin jewellery video I didn't get that far. I just showed you the process of making the pendants. So in this video I'm going all the way to the end. So I am using the resin that Resin Pro sent me. Thank you so much to Resin Pro. I'm loving it so far. I'm using the 1:1 ratio resin, which is for smaller projects, thinner layers and things like that. Perfect for pendants. So I'm also using the moulds that they sent me. So I'm going to be using some of these, and also I'm going to be using a mould of my own for bigger, chunkier necklaces. So I pressed these flowers about 2 months ago. They don't need that long, but that's how long ago I did them. I've got some buttercups and I've got a gorgeous thistle, some purple flowers, if you know the name let me know, and tiny miniature little leaves, and this is what I'm going to be putting into the pendants. The first thing I'm going to do here is just basically measure out the resin. This is a 1:1 ratio, so I'm going to eyeball it and then basically make sure that they're both level before I mix them. I've mixed my resin, so that is a 1:1 ratio, gave it a really good stir for 5 minutes. I'm going to pour just a small amount into each one, and then I'm going to just pop the bubbles with a clicky lighter. So I will go ahead and do that. For the moulds, I'm just going to use the leftover resin that I've got from the heart shapes, and I'm just going to pour some into each one, really not a lot at all. And then I'm going to use the mica powders that Resin Pro have sent me because these are gorgeous. So you really need the tiniest dab of mica powder. Goes a long way. So I'm just going to pour the resin in, add the mica powder, and then we'll get to pouring these and check these out. yeah, it is the next day and these have set rock solid. So yeah, let's pop them out and see what they look like. Well, these are absolutely stunning. I mean, we've got some rogue leaves up in some of them, but it's all, do you know what I mean? It's absolutely fine. They're crystal clear, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, focus camera. It's not liking the reflection, but absolutely love these. Yeah, what do we think? I can see an air bubble there. Just have to go slower, make sure I get those air bubbles. Love them, absolutely love the, you know, the fact that they're fresh flowers as well. Gorgeous. Anyway, look, let's get on to the next ones. I love this one, the way the 3 leaves have floated off to the edge. All I have is, wow, I was really nervous about these because the moulds are so delicate, and they're not delicate, they're quite solid, but they're tiny, and I thought I'd overspilled on all of them, and I just thought, oh my goodness me, it's going everywhere. But I mean, look at these. This one is probably one of my favourite. Imagine doing that in like a black, but this pigment, my camera, come on. It's got a black stroke metallic vibe going on. Oh my goodness, and they're so tiny. This one as well. Trying to film and pick them up at the same time is quite hard. But yeah, absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. Just beautiful. I have to say, the gemstones came out so much better than I thought. And how cute is this? How cute is this? That is the cutest little perfume bottle ever. So luckily for me, hasn't been as long for these. So they are solid but not completely set, which allowed me to trim off all of the overflow where I'd gone over. So that was lucky. This one, I definitely missed a bit on this one. Right at the top, there's a hole for a necklace. You see that? Oh, there's a little hole right there. See it? Yeah, I didn't put the resin all the way around it, so I missed that bit there. So make sure you get every single nook and cranny of your moulds. Cocktail stick would have been ideal, but you know, it's me, I didn't think. But yeah, I actually love these, and the buttons are genius. Genius. And again, I thought I overspilled on these, but I didn't. The holes came out perfectly. Absolutely. Aren't they the cutest things? They're just so adorable. Anyway, Claire, again, shut up. I'm gonna put the necklaces together and I'm gonna show you how I make them. So the way I make my necklaces is probably going to be different to everybody else, but this is what I do. So I use UV resin, a UV torch, I bought some necklace bales, and I bought some chains from eBay, and this is pretty much all you're going to need if you want to make them. For other items, you might want to drill into your resin, and I think for the tiniest ones, such as the perfume bottle, I would probably drill into the top of this and put an eyelet hole. But yeah, I might not do that in today's video. If you want to see that, let me know and we'll do some drilling. But for these ones, so easy. You want your UV resin. This is so straightforward, it's ridiculous. You want to get your charm upside down, a dab, and I mean a dab, not much at all, of UV resin just on the edge there. You probably can't see it because of the light. You want to get your necklace bail. This is what a bail is. I bought a big pack from eBay. Basically rest it upon the center of your necklace. It pretty much stays in place actually. I've been quite lucky. So just make sure it's central. Want to put it down on your tabletop. Make sure it's dead in the center, and then UV torch it. And you want to hold your UV torch there for around about 2 minutes. Yeah. Dum da dum dum. Dum da dum dum. And that is it. Once you've cured it with your UV torch, they are solid as a rock. Nothing is ever going to take that off. I have just done a little one of the babies just to show you what that looks like with the bail on top. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, the last thing to do if you want to make necklaces is to just find your chains. Find them wherever you want. I mean, I got these from eBay. I just got these silver chains. I think I got a pack of 50. I had an event last weekend where I made very similar necklaces for everybody that was attending and put forget-me-not flowers inside. But yeah, so get your chain and link it through the bail and the job is done. I mean, this is such a fun project, really. If you're just starting out with resin, have a few goes at some moulds, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I won't put all the chains through all of the bails because you've seen one, you've seen them all. I don't want to bore you to death, but let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you definitely were going to try something like this, because it's so fun and there's no right and wrong. That's what I love about resin. You know, you see these flowers in here, the leaves are off to one side. Really, I love it. I don't think, oh, that leave's out of place, because I don't think there's any right and wrong way to place your flowers. Just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It really was start to finish how to make resin necklaces, and yeah, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do with resin, because yeah, I'm still very new. You can tell by the video I'm very new. There's a lot of amazing resin artists out there. I think with regards to Resin Pro, this is probably my favourite pigment. It's absolutely stunning, and I just wish my camera was picking it up. So Resin Pro did send me this product, and if you are interested in the product yourselves, then there is a 10% discount code for you guys at Claire's Crafty Corner. If you go into the website, which will be linked down below, then put Claire's Crafty Corner in at checkout, and yeah, it's all yours. So I really do hope you've enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.